Welcome to this instructional video on how to submit apprentices to Gateway on EPAPro. This guide walks you through the process step by step, ensuring a smooth and efficient experience. To submit apprentices to Gateway, navigate to the Gateway Review section. There are a few different sections here. All apprentices, once registered, will appear in the Enrolled section. You can either search for the specific apprentice at the top of the screen or navigate through the different pages until you find the one you're looking for. Once the specific apprentice is found and you confirm your selection of the apprentice, you will move into the Confirm section. This is where you can add the information needed for the Gateway. Next to each apprentice, you'll see a Process button. Clicking this button provides a breakdown of all the evidence that needs to be uploaded for the apprentice to be submitted through the Gateway. Click Browse and Upload next to each element to open the file browser and upload the relevant files. Uploaded documents will sit under the specific apprentice's profile in the File section and can be attached to various parts of EPAPro. Results and feedback will also be uploaded here. After selecting Upload and adding a file, users press Save, which loads it into the file browser. Then, users click the specific piece of evidence they want, select Use, and attach it to that particular element at the Gateway. This step is repeated for each element that needs to be uploaded. If the same document is used for multiple elements, such as a GCSE result confirmation for both Maths and English, it only needs to be uploaded once and selected as needed. All required information must be attached to Submit to Gateway, but nothing needs to be added to the Evidence section, so this stage can be skipped. The Apprentice Details section lists all the information added when the apprentice was registered and any amendments made since. This includes the Unique Learner Number, also known as a ULN, name, contact details, workplace details, mentor details, and apprenticeship dates. You must review and confirm that these dates are correct. If any details have changed, click Edit Apprentice Details to amend the necessary information. Once confirmed, move to the next section. If you're not familiar with the registration process, we recommend watching our video on how to register apprentices on EPAPro. The final section is the Declaration section. Here, you tick off all the pieces of evidence that have been uploaded, sign off to confirm completion, and input a signature. Please note, if the Submit Gateway toggle at the bottom is off and Save is pressed, this will not submit to the Gateway but will save all inputted information. This allows you to return and add any missing documents later. Once everything is uploaded and the user is ready to submit the apprentice through the Gateway, click the Submit Gateway toggle, changing the button from Save to Submit Gateway. Clicking this will prompt a pop-up asking for agreement to the changes according to the contract. Pressing OK will submit the apprentice to the Gateway, moving them to the Pending section of the Gateway Review. VQA UK will review the evidence in the Pending section, verifying that all required elements are present and correct. If any details are missing or if the evidence format is incorrect, the apprentice will be rejected and moved to the Rejected section. You can view the rejection reason by clicking the History button. This provides a detailed list of the issues. Click Process again to amend the information, then upload the new evidence, confirm the apprentice details, and complete the Declaration section by ticking all boxes, turning on the toggle, and clicking Submit to Gateway. This will return the apprentice to the Pending section. Once all evidence is reviewed and accepted, the apprentice moves to the Completed section. At this point, the assessor will reach out and the endpoint assessment journey will begin. Thank you for watching this guide on how to submit apprentices to the Gateway on EPAPro. For any further questions, please contact EPA support at epasupport@tquk.org, and thank you for choosing Training Qualifications UK.